All right, in this sort, we're looking at what we call agents and comparatives. So basically, we're looking at people who do things and words used to compare. So one's going to be a noun and one is going to be an adjective. So when you look through these words, you're thinking dancer. Oh, okay, dancer's a person. Bigger. Oh, that's something's bigger or smaller. Bigger's using to compare. Actor, that's a person. Beggar, that's a person. Dreamer. A dreamer would be a person. Sooner, that's comparing. Longer, comparing. Smaller, comparing. Driver is a person. Farmer, person. Burglar, trader. Fresher, jogger. Younger, writer. Older, sailor. Smoother, swimmer. Brighter, tutor. Shopper, voter. So again, these are going to be still those unaccented final syllables similar to sort 31. So what I want you to do is really to do it to compare them, kind of sort them in two ways. You're going to make like a big column for each one of these, and then underneath that column, so like say you have people, underneath column you're going to also sort them by ER, OR, and AR. So you're going to also sort them by their endings, and then under your people, under the comparing words, you would do the same thing, but you're going to find something with these comparing words in terms of if you have ER, OR, or AR. So go ahead and sort your words kind of like this. You have a compare, and you have your people. Sorry for the handwriting. This iPad does not want to cooperate. Okay, so there we go. Compare, people, ER, and the R did not. There we go, AR. Okay, so pause the video, do your sort, see how you do. Here it comes. So, the first, you see two sorts here. The first one here is the way the people who do things. You have your ER, OR, and AR words, and then you have your words used to compare. Notice all of these are ER ending. Just a little aside there. And another way to look at the sort would be to think about the second way of viewing it is like double. So you look at like the word, say you look at the word beg, B-E-G. Well, if you double the G is when you add beggar. Jog is your root word. Swim, big, shop. All these also have like your short vowel sounds, ah, eh, w. Also, then you have like your E drop, where you're looking at driver, where the word is drive, you drop the E and add ER. Writer, dancer, voter. For the most part, these are all your long vowels, except for this one. You have a short A in dancer, but all of them are long vowel sounds, so you end up E dropping. And finally is the nothing, where you just basically have a word and you add the ER. These are mostly long vowel sounds. Dreamer, older, smoother, ooh is a different type of sound. Farmer, you have an R controlled A. Sailor, long sound, ooh, you have the ooh again. Smaller, that's your AL sound. Younger, actor, fresher, but these are the ones where you do nothing. So just a little bit of looking, kind of analyzing the patterns before you add the endings, similar to like your ED or ING words where you would either E drop, double, or nothing. And again, the focus on this is looking at people who do things and words used to compare.